Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, for you people that watch on a regular basis and actually watched my previous video where I showed you my recent pen haul, you would have seen that I actually teased you slightly with two pens, and this being one of them. So let's reveal the pen. Ta-da! Oh, right. Right, actually what actually happened, the pen was in here, but since the last video I've actually sourced something very interesting. So what we'll do, we'll get rid of that to the side there and we'll bring this on. Now by looking at it you can't see or tell what it is, but let's show you, because I personally, let's get rid of the box there, let's take it out of its little bubble wrap cellophane, let's put that to one side, and there you go. First of all, we've got the Waterman instruction booklet, so there's a clue straight away for what we're actually showing you today. Okay, so let's pop that to one side and have a look at this. Isn't that handsome? And there we go. It does what it says on the tin. So what we've got is a Carene, and it's a Watermans Carene. So what a lovely presentation case. This is actually, it's actually a special edition presentation case, and it's made from quite a heavy sort of a purse, well yeah, I'd say it's perspex, but as it says there, it's made specifically for the Carene, and it's got a little magnetized lid which just simply pops off like this, and it pops on like so. This particular case, I believe, because I sourced it from a lady who, well, basically she sells Waterman pens, and she informed me that this case is actually a special edition. So I'm not sure whether you can actually just go out and buy them, but well, suffice to say, as I say, it's a special edition case. And how handsome would that look sat on somebody's desk in this lovely, as I say, it's a perspex, it's a solid piece of perspex, very well made, and as we said, this lovely touch of these two little magnets to each end which hold the lid into place, so it would look absolutely beautiful on anybody's desk. So let's take the top off and let's take the pen out from this lovely case. So there's your last view of it. As I say, it's a special edition Waterman Carene case. So what does it have inside? Dead simple, a Waterman's Carene. Now the Waterman Carene, I've actually showed you a couple already. What I'll do at the end of the video, I'll leave you a link to one of the other ones that I actually own personally. You can go and have a look at that one. But this one came to me recently, and it's a stunning pen. Now let's try and show you the colour. I don't know how clear it'll become on the video, but it's absolutely beautiful. Now this is one, I believe it's one of the first edition Carenes from, I think, about late 1990s, and they brought out sort of numerous different colours, one being a standard black. I believe they brought out a abyss blue, which was quite a deep blue, a coral orange, which they termed as a solid red orange colour, a green shimmer, which was also known as garden, and last but not least, this one in amber shimmer, also known as marine amber. Again, let's bring it nice and close. It's absolutely, it's a stunning colour, a stunning pattern, as I say, in this amber shimmer, or as we said, marine amber. So what we've got, as I say, is the Watermans Carene from late 1990s. I believe these particular colours and models went through to about 2002. They came with gold trim. You can see the gold band there, and if I look over, I think it actually says Waterman on the gold band. You've got this lovely designed Waterman clip to the top of the cap there. To the very top you've got the, I think it's the W for Waterman. And if we take you up to the other side, the end of the barrel, you can see this sort of sloping sort of design with this black button to the end, again with this gold plated trim to the end. And for you people that don't know, briefly, the pen was designed on sort of a nautical theme. It's supposed to sort of emulate a yacht, and if you look at the clip, I believe that's supposed to emulate a wave. But all in all, absolutely stunning pens. In fact, this one has to be, the Watermans Carene is one of my favourite modern fountain pens. As a lot of you know, I'm mainly a vintage man, but occasionally we show you modern, and this is one of my favourites. Let's take off the cap, which is a friction fit cap. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I say, absolutely stunning, and this beautiful amber shimmer colour. If we take you up to the section there is in solid black. We've got this sort of clutch ring, if you like, to the top of the barrel, and one of the reasons that I actually like these particular pens is this gorgeous sort of inlaid nib, and it reads, let's keep it nice and still. In fact, I'm not 100% what it reads. I think it's got Waterman, or the Waterman symbol. It's actually 18 karat gold, and again, in my opinion, an absolutely stunning nib. There's a sideways view, and if we show you the underneath, you can see the feed actually it sort of carries on from this section, if you like. The feed sort of carries on in this beautiful, lovely design. And I believe this nib is a medium nib. Now the pen is made of metal. It's a lovely weighty size. It's a gorgeous size as well for writing. I've actually got large hands, and for me it's very nice and comfortable to hold. Inside, how do we fill the pen? We unscrew the barrel, and there we have it. We've got a Waterman converter inside, and as you can see, I believe the pen has never been used. The nice thing about Watermans, what they've done with the sort of the connector there, you can see these rubber seals or bands which help when we actually screw the barrel into place. It gives it a lovely snug fit. Now I'm not going to fill the pen, quite simply because it's never been used, but I know you people like to see the pens being used, so what I'll do, we'll do a little dip test. So let's dip it a little bit into the ink, and let's see how it writes. How does it write? Very, very, very nicely. It's actually absolutely lovely. That's why, again, it's one of my favourite pens. The nib on this pen is absolutely gorgeous. It's lovely, lovely and smooth. Absolutely lovely. So let's leave it at that. Let me just get a little bit of tissue. Let's wipe off, and what we'll do, we'll swill the pen out after the video. But an absolutely gorgeous writer. So there's a writing sample. As you can see, writes in a medium line and writes absolutely gorgeous. So let's leave it at that. A Watermans Carene from late 1990s in this Amber Shimmer or Marine Amber, in absolutely stunning condition. Comes, as I said, with this limited edition sort of case, and again, that would look stunning on anybody's desk. So let's pop that there. Let's find this pen a lovely home so somebody can proudly pop this pen on their desk and use it on a daily basis. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Don't forget, a lot of you people forget, give the video a thumbs up if you will. If you possibly can, down below as well, please support my work. And don't forget, we've still got a few little problems out there, so all you people, please be safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.